Since 1926, Graco in Anoka, Minnesota has continuously focused on finding better ways to solve lubrication challenges. Most notably in 1955, Graco introduced the first high-pressure Fireball lube pump, which continues to be a mainstay in the lubrication marketplace for durability and long life. Over 60 years later, that same proven quality and leading technology of the Fireball pump is being leveraged in Graco's latest family of automatic lubrication pumps, LubePro. LubePro provides a better way to lubricate equipment used in industrial in-plant manufacturing applications and has become the choice of today's lubrication professionals. Unplanned and unnecessary repair costs caused by improper lubrication from manual lubrication practices can be a headache for many factory managers. Instead, LubePro reduces maintenance costs and minimizes downtime by providing the correct amount of lubrication in the right place at the right time, thus extending the life of the many pivots, bearings, bushings, and other components on the machine. LubePro makes the decision for automatic lubrication even easier. It's built to perform and built to last, so you have peace of mind that you're making a wise investment that pays for itself. LubePro is easy to install and provides higher output and faster cycle rates than the competition to provide quick, accurate lubrication. It leverages long-lasting seal technology, a high-strength, shatter-resistant reservoir, an integrated vent that automatically relieves pressure on the return stroke, and options for factory-installed low-level indication. Available for grease or oil, the LubePro series of pumps covers a wide variety of in-plant manufacturing applications, such as packaging, food and beverage production, glass manufacturing, tire production, thermoforming, injection molding, paper production, presses, automation machinery, steel forging and finishing, and more. To complement the LubePro series pumps, Graco offers a complete line of oil and grease injectors that provide accurate, reliable lubrication at every point. And best of all, Graco's injectors leverage leading seal technology that outperforms the competition. Graco also provides a complete line of accessories, such as air valves, lube controllers, pressure switches, and more, to provide a comprehensive lubrication solution for your equipment. We are solving today's lubrication challenges, so why wait for those unplanned expenses? Avoid the hassle. Meet your LubePro today.